In this video we are going to look at a fully automated workflow to upload emailed documents, such as sales orders or supplier invoices, into Sage. To start, we need a mailbox to receive the emails. Typically, the email address will be orders at, or accounts at, your company name. Any email arriving in this mailbox will trigger the workflow. The documents attached to the emails can be PDFs, Excel, EDI, or CSV files. To automatically detach the document, we use an email macro or business process app, such as codeless platforms, Zapier, or Make. We then use our artificial intelligence engine to automatically identify both the document type and the business partner that sent the document. If the document recognition step doesn't find a match, the document is sent to customer services for review. The required data is now extracted, transformed, and validated. If the data validation step is successful, the order or invoice is passed for uploading into Sage. Any failure of the user-defined business rules will route the document into the error handling process. The Sage API, or an integration layer, uses the data to create the new transaction. The integration process will confirm that the order or invoice has been created. As part of the final step, an email can be sent to the customer to confirm receipt of their order, or for supplier invoices, three-way matching of the invoice, GRN, and original PO can be used to release the invoice for payment. If you are looking for a solution to automate the data entry of your sales order or supplier invoices, then please contact us at the link below.